Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can get booking.com Genius level 3. And here you can see in our profile icon we are already landed in Genius level 1. So if I want to change this Genius level, how I can do it? So I will click over here this Genius loyalty program. Once I click over here, then it will take a couple of minutes, and here as you can see that how much we just need to be go onto the level 3. So here complete 5 bookings within 2 years to unlock level 2 discounts and rewards. Every booking will be count. So here similarly, if you want to go to the third level, here you just need to be complete 15 bookings in 2 years, and you will get 10 to 20% discount on stays, 10 to 15% discount on select rental cars, free break spot on selected estate, free room upgrades on selected estate, and priority support on all states. So you just need to be follow these guidelines if you want to change your Genius level to your 3. I hope you understand how you can change your Genius level 3. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.